What's the meaning of cursed? Cursed. Cursed.
Cursed. Cursed. The word curse typically refers to something that is under a spell or curse, bringing bad luck or harm to whoever is associated with it. It can also imply that something is highly undesirable or unpleasant in nature. When a person or object is cursed, they will often experience a series of unfortunate events or negative outcomes that seem out of their control. This can lead to feelings of misery, despair, and hopelessness. In general, being cursed is not a desirable state of being, and many people go to great lengths to try and break the curse or remove the negative energy surrounding them.